Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 14, food, and today I will deliver its third lecture, which is about basic food groups like dry fruit, dairy, and meat. So my dear students, क्योंकि हम पिछले few lectures से we are studying about that food gives energy to plants, animals, and human beings. So अब हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि ह्यूमन बींग्स में जो डिफरेंट फूड ग्रुप्स होते हैं वो कौन कौन से होते हैं और कैसे कैसे हमें इनसे एनर्जी मिलती है. So my dear students, before that, let's quickly recap the previous lecture. Quickly look at the pictures and tell me that what are eating habits in animals. Very good. Some eat meat, some eat plants, and some eat both plants and animals. Very good. So my dear students, now is time for an activity. So here you can see some dairy products like milk, butter, cheese. So this is called dairy. And then these are red beans. These are dry fruits. So which type of food you like most? आपको कौन सा खाना सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? It's okay अगर आप इसमें से नहीं बताते. अगर आप अपनी पसंद का कोई भी खाना बताते हैं, quickly tell me. For example, I really like biryani. So, आपका favorite food कौन सा है? Very good. Okay, what is your favorite dry fruit? और आपका favorite dry fruit कौन सा है? I really like cashews. बहुत पसंद है मुझे. And I also like pistachios. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now here is the student learning outcome for today. Today, the students will be able to identify certain food groups as fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy products, meat, and dry fruit. So, my dear students, as you know, कि human beings जो हैं, they can eat both meat and plants. So, इनमें different food groups हैं जो कि उनको different type of energy provide करते हैं. We will have a look at that. So, my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective and the kettle. He has created them for you. In them, there is warmth, clothing, and numerous benefits, and of them you eat. So, my dear students, Allah Ta'ala ने हमारे लिए जानवर पैदा किए हैं, पौधे पैदा किए हैं, जिनसे हम लोग खुराक और एनर्जी लेते हैं ताकि हम अपने आप को फ़ायदा पहुंचा सकें. इन चीज़ों से मुख्तलिफ तरह की एनर्जी जो है वो हम ले सकते हैं. So my dear students, let's look at the pre-reading question. Quickly tell me, do you like to drink milk or not? क्या आपको दूध पीना पसंद है? क्योंकि मुझे पता है आप में से mostly बच्चे they do not like to drink milk. But milk is really good. So quickly, what are the benefits of drinking milk? दूध पीने के फ़ायदे क्या क्या हैं? जो बच्चे नहीं भी पीते दूध वो भी मुझे बताएं कि दूध पीने के क्या क्या फ़ायदे हैं. They make our bones strong and healthy. ये आपको ग्रो करने में, जल्दी बड़ा होने में मदद करता है. So ये आपके टीथ को और आपकी बोन्स को हेल्दी बनाता है. Because it has calcium inside it. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for reading. I request you all to please open page number 131 in your GK3 books. Very good. So let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. Basic food groups. Anything that we eat is food. Human beings can eat a variety of food. Their food is divided into 5 primary groups. So my dear students, जो चीज़ हम खाते हैं वो खाना कहलाती है, food कहलाती है. Human beings जो है वो variety of food जो है वो consume कर सकते हैं और इसको 5 groups में, primary groups में divide किया गया है. Let's have a look. So number 1 is dry fruits. So what are dry fruits? They are almonds, pistachio, walnut, etc. So what is provided? So ये हमें क्या provide करते हैं? They provide fats and minerals. So number 2 is dairy. Dairy provides us with milk, yogurt, etc. And it's all dairy की examples हैं milk, yogurt, and it provides us minerals and proteins. Number 3 is meat, lean meat, fish, and poultry. And it provides us with proteins. So आज हम 3 groups को पढ़ेंगे, which is dairy, meat, and dry fruits. So let's start reading about the dry fruits. Dry fruits. Dry fruits include nuts such as almonds, apricot, groundnut, pistachio, walnut, kaju. Kaju is also called cashew, etc. They provide healthy fats that keep the body insulated against the effects of cold. Moreover, they also help in body development. So my dear students, all these dry fruits, they provide us with fats and minerals, और ये हमारी बॉडी को गर्म रखते हैं, तभी हम सर्दियों में जो है वो ड्राई फ्रूट्स को कंज्यूम करते हैं. इनकी बहुत सारी एग्जांपल्स हैं, आलमंड्स, पिस्ताचियो, नट्स, वॉलनट्स, cashews, dry apricots, these are all dry fruits. So my dear students, next is dairy. Let's read about that. On page number 132. Dairy products are cheese, milk and yogurt. So anything that is made from milk is called dairy. They provide essential nutrients to our body. Doctors highly recommend daily intake for proper growth of children. So my dear students, dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, ये सब चीज़ें जो है ये दूध से ही बनती हैं, इस वजह से इनको डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स कहा जाता है. एंड दीज ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स आर एक्सट्रीमली गुड फॉर आवर बॉडी बिकॉज दे प्रोवाइड अस विद लॉट्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स, और ये हमें ग्रोथ में भी हेल्प करते हैं. सो इसीलिए डॉक्टर्स रिकमेंड करते हैं बच्चों के लिए, आप जैसे बच्चों के लिए विच आर इन देयर ग्रोइंग एज, टू कंज्यूम डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स मोर एंड मोर. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर 3 इज मीट. Meat and beans are primary source of protein. Protein is essential for the proper development of muscles and brain. Meat such as chicken, fish and beans such as peas, green and red beans are also good source of protein. So my dear students, next is meat which is also very important, और ये हमें प्रोटीन प्रोवाइड करता है, और प्रोटीन जो है ये हमारी मसल बिल्डिंग के लिए ज़रूरी है. जैसे बोन्स के लिए आपको दूध की या डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स की ज़रूरत है, इसी तरह जो आपकी हड्डियों के ऊपर जो आपको गोश्त नजर आता है, दीज आर द मसल, ये आपका मसल है, और इस मसल को डेवलप करने के लिए बिकॉज दिस मसल हेल्प्स यू इन मूवमेंट, ये आपकी बोन्स को मूव करने में हेल्प करता है. तो अगर आपके मसल स्ट्रांग होंगे तो आपकी बॉडी स्ट्रांगली मूव करेगी और एक्टिव रहेगी. तो इन मसल्स को बिल्ड करने में और एक्टिव रखने में प्रोटीन बहुत ज़रूरी है, और ये प्रोटीन हमें कहाँ से मिलती है? वी गेट इट फ्रॉम मीट लाइक चिकन, फिश, red meat, that is mutton and beef, and we also get it from some beans and lentils like red beans and green beans. They provide us with protein. So my dear students, this is it. These are the 3 groups जो हमने आज पढ़े हैं. So food groups कौन कौन से हैं? Dry fruits, dairy, meat, और ये 2 जो हैं ये हम next lecture में पढ़ेंगे. So today we have studied about 3 groups: dry fruit, dairy and meat from the food groups. So my dear students, the example of dry fruits are cashews, almonds and apricots. They provide us with important minerals and they also provide us with fat. So they keep us warm. So my dear students, the dairy products are made from the milk. They provide us with important minerals and protein, and they make our bones strong and help us in growth. Next is meat. So meat provide us with protein, and protein help us in the muscle building. So these are the importance, and they also help us in the development of our brain. So my dear students, beans also provide us with protein, and these are dates. So quickly tell me, which dry fruit is more economical and nutritious? Are expensive dry fruits more nutritious? May some other cost-effective dry fruits substitute them? So my dear students, आपको पता है कि dry fruits जब हम सर्दियों में खाते हैं तो we often hear that they are expensive. So there are some inexpensive dry fruits also like dates. यानी ये खजूरें जो हैं ये इनएक्सपेंसिव हैं और ये आपकी बॉडी के लिए बहुत हेल्दी हैं क्योंकि ये आपके ब्लड मेकिंग में हेल्प करती हैं, आपको इंपॉर्टेंट मिनरल्स प्रोवाइड करती हैं. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि सिर्फ एक्सपेंसिव ड्राई फ्रूट्स जो हैं यही हमारी बॉडी के लिए हेल्दी हैं? They are healthy, but you can also alternate them with inexpensive ones like dates and dry apricots. Okay, my dear students, almonds are also very good for our health. So my dear students, now is the time for evaluation. So on page number 137, the listening and speaking questions are given. Quickly answer these questions orally. So our food is divided into how many groups? 5 primary groups. Very good. Next is, why should we eat dry fruits? Because they provide us with minerals and fat. Very good. Number 10, what do we get from dairy products? They provide us with minerals and protein. Very good. So what does meat items provide us? They provide us with proteins. Why should we eat fruits and vegetables? This will be done in the next lecture. So my dear students, this is it. Now we will move forward towards the practice. So for practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So first of all, you will write down your name and your roll number, and then write name and fruit group of the products, and also write the nutrient which provides it. So this is milk. In which food group does it lie? Very good. It lies in dairy products. Next is almonds, dry fruit, and also tell that what does it provide. Milk provides us minerals and protein. Dry fruit provides us minerals and fats. Next is chicken. It is from meat group and it provides us with protein. Beans are also from they provide us protein. Fish is from the meat group and it provides us with protein. Then comes figs. These are figs. फिग कहते हैं उसको, सॉरी मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया. दिस इज इंजीर. सो इंजीर है एंड इट इज ऑल्सो अ फॉर्म ऑफ ड्राई फ्रूट एंड इट प्रोवाइड्स अस विद fat and nutrients. Next is cheese. This is also dairy and it provides us with minerals and protein. Next is date. It is also dry fruit and it provides us with fat and minerals. Last one is yogurt. It is from the dairy group and provides us with minerals and protein. So quickly pause the video and complete the worksheet. I hope everybody has finished it. Now we will move forward towards the homework. So for homework, you will do question number 2, dry fruits and dairy and meat, on page number 139. Enlist basic food groups with examples. So आप आज dry fruit, dairy और meat जो है इसको करेंगे. You will mention these 3 groups with examples. So you will do this in your homework. This is given on page number 139. So now is the time for wrap up. So what have we learned today? Today we learned that basic food groups are 5. Dry fruit provides minerals and fats, insulate the body against cold. Dairy products provide proteins and minerals, helps children in growth. And meat provides proteins, help us in muscle and brain growth. So my dear students, आज हमने important fruit groups के बारे में पढ़ा जो कि हमारी body के लिए बहुत important है. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.